Want to make your WhatsApp status more fun? You can easily add stickers with just a few simple steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on Updates at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can view your friends' statuses and any channels you follow. At the top of the screen, tap Add Status. This will bring up your device's gallery, where you can choose a photo or video to share as your status. Select the one you want to use. Now look at the top of the screen and tap the sticker icon. This will open a menu showing all the stickers and emojis available for you to use. Scroll through and find a sticker you like, then tap to add it to your status. If you want, you can resize or move the sticker by pinching or dragging it with 2 fingers. Once you're happy with how everything looks, tap the Send button to post your status. Your friends will now see your status with the sticker included. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.